What is the best way to deep clean a memory foam mattress topper?
Hello, and welcome to the ultimate guide on deep cleaning your memory foam mattress topper. It's important to keep your mattress topper clean not only for hygiene but also to ensure its longevity. Today, we'll be exploring step-by-step instructions on how you can give your topper a deep clean.
Why is it important to deep clean a memory foam mattress topper?
Memory foam mattress toppers are a perfect environment for dust mites, allergens, and bacteria to thrive in. Over time, sweat, dead skin, and other body fluids can seep into the mattress topper, contributing to odor and discoloration. Deep cleaning helps eliminate these problems, maintaining a clean, fresh, and healthy sleeping environment.
What will you need for deep cleaning?
You will need the following items: a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment, mild laundry detergent, baking soda, clean cloth or sponge, cold water.
How to deep clean your memory foam mattress topper.
Let's start cleaning. 1. Vacuum the mattress topper. Start by thoroughly vacuuming both sides of your mattress topper to remove dust, skin cells, and other debris. Use a soft brush attachment to avoid damaging the foam. 2. Spot clean the stains. Mix a small amount of mild laundry detergent with cold water. Dip a clean cloth or sponge in the solution and gently dab the stained areas. Never scrub or rub the stains as it can damage the memory foam. 3. Deodorize with baking soda. Sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda over the entire surface of the mattress topper. Let it sit for at least an hour. Baking soda is great for neutralizing odors and absorbing moisture. 4. Vacuum again. After the baking soda has done its magic, vacuum the mattress topper again to remove the baking soda. 5. Air dry. Finally, let the mattress topper air dry completely before putting it back on the bed. Do not use a hairdryer or place it in the dryer as the heat can damage the memory foam. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to deep clean your memory foam mattress topper. Remember, always spot test any cleaning solution in an inconspicuous area to ensure it won't damage or discolor the foam. Happy cleaning, and here's to many more nights of clean, comfortable sleep.